Hi, this is Colin, Sophia, and Bevan, and we have 4.4 Monopolistic Competition. There are three characteristics of monopolistic competition. 1. Relatively large number of sellers. 2. Differentiated products. And 3. Easy entry and exit from the industry. The first characteristic is relatively large number of sellers. This means that each firm has a small percentage in the total market. A large number of firms ensures that collusion is unlikely, and each firm can take independent action in determining its own pricing. The second characteristic is differentiated products. Monopolistic competitors produce products with slightly different characteristics. These differences may be in functional features, materials, design, and workmanship. They may also differ in the service and conditions surrounding the scale of the product, location and accessibility to the stores that sell the product, and brand name and packaging. Monopolistic competitors also have some control over price. If consumers prefer their product over others, procedures can raise the price within limits. The third characteristic is easy entry and exit. Entry is relatively easy in a monopolistic competition compared to a pure monopoly or oligopoly. Monopolistic competitors are typically small, which means that fewer economies of scale and capital requirements are less. However, financial barriers may arise from development and advertisement of a differentiated product in order to gain consumer support.
Economists measure the degree of industry concentration to identify monopolistically competitive industries. Two measures are the four-firm concentration ratio and the Herfindahl index. Four-firm concentration ratio is the output of the four largest firms divided by the total output in the industry. The ratios are low in purely competitive industries and high in oligopoly and pure monopoly. The Herfindahl index is the sum of the squared percentage market shares of all firms in the industry, and when using it, the index will approach zero in a purely competitive industry. The demand curve faced by a monopolistically competitive seller is highly but not perfectly elastic. The price elasticity of demand faced monopolistically competitive firms depends on the number of rivals and degree of product differentiation. The larger the number of rivals and weaker the product differentiation, the greater the price elasticity of each seller's demand. In the short run, monopolistically competitive firms maximize profit or minimize loss using exactly the same strategy as pure competitors and monopolistic. They produce the level of output at which marginal revenue equals marginal cost. With less favorable cost or demand, the firm may incur a loss in the short run. In the long run, firms will enter a profitable, monopolistically competitive industry and leave an unprofitable one. A monopolistic competitor will earn only a normal profit or break even in the long run. Profits occur when firms enter and losses occur when firms leave. Economic efficiency requires all firms to produce at a point where the price is equal to the marginal cost, which is equal to the minimum average total cost.
Neither productive nor allocative efficiency. In monopolistic competition, neither allocative nor productive efficiency occurs in the long run. Monopolistic competitors create deadweight loss at times. The total efficiency for loss in the industry as a whole will be the sum of the individual efficiency losses generated at each of the firms in an industry. Excess capacity. In monopolistic competition, the gap between the minimum ATC output and profit maximizing output identifies excess capacity. Because firm product in long-run equilibrium, monopolistically competitive industries are overpopulated with firms, each operating below its optimal capacity. Product variety and benefits. Product variety offsets the cost of inefficiency associated with monopolistic competition, benefits society by creating better products, benefits consumer by offering a wide range of choice. Further complexity. The monopolistically competitive firm deals with three factors: price, product, and advertising. Each possible combination of price, product, and advertising creates a new demand and cost situation for the firm. The optimal combination can only be found by trial and error. Now here are two practice problems. Here are the answers.